So hello namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Shrutika and today in this video we will be doing a project overview of Runwal the Central Park Pimpri, which is located near Anna Sahib Nagar, Pimpri, Pune and developed by Runwal Realty. And in this video we will be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में। Runwal the Central Park Pimpri will be constructed on 26 acres of land parcel consisting of 14 towers. Each tower will be having 3 basement plus ground plus 2 podium plus 42 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residences and the tallest tower of PCMC. And now let's check out the surrounding and the connectivity of the project. As you can see, I am here at the actual location of the project. मेरे right hand side में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के बैक साइड में आपको मिल जाएगा द टॉलेस्ट टावर ऑफ द PCMC. Coming to the location part, project is just located near बिर्द वैली लेक, अन्ना साहिब नगर, पिंपरी चिंचवड, पुणे. और अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करते हैं तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है खंडोबा चौक विद इन 2.1 किलोमीटर, चिंचवड जंक्शन विद इन 1 किलोमीटर एंड ऑल्सो DMart विद इन 1 किलोमीटर. And now coming to the amenities part of the project. Project has 50 plus luxurious amenities like swimming pool, clubhouse of 15,000 square feet, kids play area, senior sit out area, badminton and squash court, multi-purpose hall and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Runwal the Central Park Pimpri has 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residences, in which 2 BHK is for 860 square feet and 3 BHK is for 1314 square feet and 3.5 BHK is for 1550 square feet and 4.5 BHK is for 2057 square feet carpet area. And now let's discuss about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Runwal the Central Park Pimpri, which is located near Anna Sahib Nagar, Pimpri, Pune and developed by Runwal Realty. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं, do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.